how to play and sing songs on the key of C. Now we've already learned this for Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now I want us to learn it for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now I've already taught how to play songs on the key of C, where I taught how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now for you to know how to sing it, you need to watch that video, observe the right hand, the left hand rather. Whatever chords the left hand played in that song is what both hands will be playing here. Only in this case, the right hand will be playing inverted chords. We are playing inverted chords because we don't want to be jumping around. We want to focus more on our singing and not jumping around the piano. So the song starts with a do. Twinkle, twinkle. Can you see my left hand hits once, but my right hits twice. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I went to my fa first inversion for here, and I went to fa here. So, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Right? Then you go to fa. Wonder what you want. So fa, do, so, do. Basically that was it. Now up above the world so high is do, fa, do, so. Right? And like a diamond in the sky is a repetition. Like a diamond in the sky. Do, fa, do, so. Then back to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wonder what you are. You can't hit your do here. I'm ending with the first inversion of do, because I just want to end that way. You could as well end with So if you're going to play, this is how I expect you to play. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. Basically, so that's how you're supposed to play. You don't always have to hit your thumb the way I hit it, but if you want to, you can go ahead. But if you're using two fingers, you can also be hitting it like this. It's even nicer that way. You can hit your fifth instead, and yeah, you can as well just play without hitting it. So basically, that's how to play the song.